Hello and welcome to more of my trading stuff. This is just a quick video to show you how you can get extra information into an Excel spreadsheet from your backtesting or optimization. With the history and events, it's easy enough to do a right mouse click and export to Excel. We can then open that spreadsheet and we've got all of our information in here that we need. Now, if we want to put in the trade statistics or the equity chart, we'd open a new tab, click in towards the top left-hand side, come back to IC Markets and make sure you've got the data displayed on screen that you want to effectively cut and paste into your spreadsheet. Come back to Excel, then we go to Insert, and we've got Screenshot here as an option, so we can click on the little arrow just here and we can choose Screen Clipping as one of our options. As you can see, the whole screen has gone opaque. I can then click and drag to highlight the area that I want to pull into my spreadsheet and let go, and it has now put that onto my spreadsheet. If I want to add the equity curve, I just click a little bit lower down in the spreadsheet, come back to cTrader, pull up my equity chart, then go back to Excel, again go to Insert, go to Screenshot and Screen Clipping, and again I can click and select the equity chart that I want to pull in. You can do this with anything else within cTrader. You could cut and paste the whole screen, and again the parameters tab if you've run an optimization rather than just a backtest. Hopefully you found this useful and it shows you how you can save some of that extra information. Thank you for watching.